Trouble out here to the beds.
So we had it again. Mother told me that we need to cook something better.
Right.
So, today in bar cooking we shall do some Christmas favorites. Gungo peas. Nothing good for without the Christmas.
Trouble.
So we have started off in our recently cleaned pot. Going to throw 1 pint of gungo in. And we'll go through our interest in the gungo that are clean. So you know, so we'll get some water and wash it. And we'll go through our interest of all the gungo. It's free of debris and damage. You know, black markings and so damage gungo. Yeah, and the tail pan of gungo and nothing that we rice and peas, you know. So yeah. So the gungo. No worm and none that take out the bad gungo them then the good. Use that one, them and use the good one then. Gungo can be dried. Just interested looking at the gungo pot. I can see what I want.
So what have the green gungo today?
Fresh gungo.
Okay. No green and fresh.
Fresh.
Alright, so.
Now we have the gungo, so we're gonna wash it and put it on top of it. Get some water. You can wash the gungo like 2 or 3 times, you know, with like 3 cups of water. Stove, we have about 1 liter of water on a high heat until the gungo is cooked. So while the gungo is being on, we're gonna start adding a little seasoning to the pot. That's salt. Taste. And we're gonna dice up 2 heads of garlic to flavor the pot. And you know, garlic is good for the body. Help filter out all the antioxidants and all the unlimiteds in your body. Help clean you out, help purify your body, help support the filtering organ, the kidney. So with our garlic, we're gonna dice that into some nice, thin, small slices in our gungo pasta. So you know when the gungo rice and peas done cook, you know you should have some garlic in it to eat, and that roughage help clean you out, help clear your tripe, your intestine, the small and large. So you know, still can eat more for your Christmas. You know, no, the carrot cake and the fruit cake and the eggnog this and the fruit cake that. Yeah. All for Christmas, you know? So with that, cover our pot, bring it to boil. So, see in a few. So, the gungo pot when they bubble for a while, steam to come on time, smell the place like say, yo, we're in a like herbal house. You know, like so we have some well vegan vegetarian, but guess what, just the garlic in the pot next to the place, you know. So guess what, we check on the pot, check on the gungo if you cook, I'll move on to the next step. Watch out what. Woo! Smell the pot, the bubble, pot a bubble, pot a bubble. Check what boy, you see? Yeah, with the bubble up in that pot, yeah. Yeah. Check, you know, check if Gungo to cook. You know, take out when I go quail him. Yeah, Gungo cook. Yes or no? Go season him up. So, you know, what you in that pot? Scallion, thyme, pepper, onion, garlic. Oh, not all of that. But some of it. But guess what we go do? We add it different. So I don't know about Uno still now. This is how we do my seasoning. If I have the smaller one, it work out much better. But guess what? When I have me, I work with. Right it, a small one. So, yeah, small blender now, we're gonna get started about add now. Add pepper, scallion, thyme, and oh yes, garlic. Now, piece of ginger here, and also throwing him in there. Guess what? We want the pot to be really awesome, you know? Ginger. The season inside. Guess what? That's a tad bit of oil, just a tad. You know, just to give little lubricant in it so all the season get to blend out, you know? Just a tad of oil, you know? The whole lot. It don't even look like no oil in there. You know, get little water too. Don't worry. Yeah, water. Yeah, good now. So guess what? The one is water is blend out. Turn puree. So we want them to turn liquid out. Because you don't know, seasoning you know, want pot nice you know. So guess what? Smell that. Smell that. Oh God. Rice pot. Nice. Oh God. Oh. Over to the rice pot now, so we want all the ingredients out of the pot. So guess what we got? A spoon of the water in it. I take a spoon little. Spoon now. Mix up the pot. Wow, niceness out of it. Out of it, you know. Want it that way pot, you know. Gungo peas and rice. Awfully nice. Down to all whatever the cover we want to have, you know. Yeah. And guess what? You can go and swim out there. We're ready for you. Cooked. So while we have our gungo going boiling for this few seconds and minutes, while all the steam gets soaked out and get infused into our gungo beans, we just ready to help flavor them up some more. So now mixing our coconut milk. So here we're mixing in 1 coconut milk. 1 coconut sachet, 1 coconut. So take out by 3, 1 coconut. Just 1. We don't want too much. We know some coconut nice. We know it's a good for you. Whole heap of beneficials. But guess what? 1 coconut. Right? So while this is going to bubble back and the coconut melt out, we get our rice ready. I don't think that people know this add rice now. Thing ready, you know? They're not ready for serving, you know? You just say, you know? Oh, you got it. So you don't know so we throw out the rice, you know, so we proper groom and maintenance the rice. We don't want no weeble, we don't want no blackhead, we don't have no lint, we don't have no dust mite, we don't want none of that, you know. Get the rice, go through the rice, we can't take out all the blackheads, the lint, the nick, and so forth. You don't want them, we don't want weeble trash and stuff. It's if it was boozematic, you know that bougie rice, yeah. But this is the bougie, guess what? This is rice. You know, have bougie money to claim for bougie rice, you know? The holding party later to the bougie part of it. It's a ghetto rice. No, ghetto price rice. Oh, ghetto rice nice. Yeah, so you know, we go through and ensure saying good. You know, pick out all them, pick out. Yeah. Yeah. No, we don't add oil or butter or sugar to our rice and peas. You know, we keep it bush. You know, we don't have such luxury. So we don't put no oil in there, we'll fry a piece of full fat and we get oil out or so. Or a piece of coconut and throw them in a pot. You know that. Right? I know the coconut oil, they come from the coconut, the 1 coconut, to do you right. Right, Rasta? Me, Barry. Yeah, you don't know, you know, think about telling them, butter, you know, no chiffon to the thing, no oil to the thing, you know. Yeah, sure.
With the rice.
With the rice. Alright, cool.
Straight bush style. Kitchen smells sweet.
Yeah. Gungo piece for the night, sorry for deal.
What is that? Gungo rice and peas in days.
Straight up.
Smell sorry to you know, you say sorry to months and days.
You know what I'm saying, part, you know, so long got people that bought the place. Same.
You said the last one. Sorry for days, my bro.
So we got to keep it clean, you know. Don't want no dirt or lint or nits or nothing like that in the rice. You know, we don't want no bugs. We don't want no other protein in the rice than the rice itself. You know, the protein you have to get in already from the gungo. You know, but we're in a pot now. It ain't gungo rice and peas, you know, you're supposed to eat it by itself. Not even gravy, not even ketchup. Just stick it out that pot and eat in sauce or something, gungo rice and peas. You know, it's nice.
True.
Straight to the point. No additive, no preservative, you know. Yeah. Okay, so we prepare rice and ready to go in the pot. But just one check on the pot if I'm ready, you know. Check on it. Woo! Woo!
Boiling.
So into our pot the rice goes. You want nice to put stir. Back to boil. This method we want the rice to steam down. And part we can go and steam down. Yeah. We reach the part of the gungo peas where we know, so we want him steam out the rest of the water and bring the peas and the gungo all marinated together. Right now the water is supposed to bubble out, hell out of the pot, and the peas and the gungo are supposed to look so wonderful. Like say, yeah! Yeah! Get in there! Get in there! Yes! Look at that, wonderful. Yes, man. Have to turn down and not finish steam out. You don't know? Turn down. So we have it on low heat. So all that water gonna leave and gonna finish steam right out, and all that evaporated. The rice has been swollen already to twice, and now it's gonna go to half more of its possible conside, and it's all so wonderful. Don't know, gungo peas and rice. The gungo peas and rice is ready. Been steaming down quite nicely and it's ready. Let's open the pot, take in a good whiff of it. But before that, let's begin.
A Jamaican beef pot.
I beat the pot.
Jamaican,
Like a
yeah.
beatbox type of thing, you know, but it's because the rice that smells nice, you don't want to get to it, you want the constant flavor continue reaching, you know. It's the movement of the spoon back and forth from your nose, your head. You notice, yeah, a quick sharp right here, yeah, you give it the woof, you know, move it. Yeah, you smell it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, if you as they smell it also.
Yeah. Let me help it. Now begin. Come on.
It was a wonderful aroma, man. So it's a complete gungo.
Yes. Name that. Gungo peas on rice.
Okay, gungo peas and rice. Food freezer. Feel like Strawberry. If you tell about it, body.